Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to increase rally capacity in Dark War Survival. Increasing your rally capacity in Dark War Survival is all about maximizing how many troops you can send and coordinated attacks. Start by upgrading your command center and military center, as higher level buildings directly boost your deployment limits. Next, invest in research. Look for upgrades like troop capacity or battle capacity in your research building, which provide incremental improvements to boost troop and rally numbers. Don't forget your heroes. Leveling them up and enhancing their gear also expands your rally capacity, giving you more flexibility in attacks. Finally, consider passive boosts from pets and event decorations like the Fire Crystal, which can further enhance your troop limits. By combining building upgrades, research hero development, and special bonuses, you'll steadily increase your rally capacity and dominate your battles. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.